Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator here at the HDBaseT booth, W1337 at InfoComm 2022. So happy to be joined by Blake Talley, who is VP and Partner with Simply45. Thanks so much for joining me, Blake. I appreciate it, and I look forward to our conversation.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
So just to start, what is kind of your top-line assessment of InfoComm? What are you feeling so far when people are coming and visiting your booth, trying to talk to you about your products, your technologies? What are you hearing? What vibe are you getting? What are people asking about?
You know, it's been a great show. I think we're all excited to be back, doing these shows again. It's been a couple years since we've been able to see everybody. But yeah, we've been very busy at our booth, and it's been great so far.
That's fantastic. I know HDBaseT technology is core, Simply45, some of your other products. So why don't you tell me a bit about HDBaseT and how it serves you and how then your offerings serve your clients and customers?
Yeah, HDBaseT is a great partner of ours. We have a really good alliance. Obviously, with their platform, it requires a really robust cable infrastructure, and that's where my products come into play. Between category cable and the terminations that go along with it in the field, Simply45 is the brand that HDBaseT trusts to make sure that that performance is there.
Absolutely. How long have you had this relationship with HDBaseT?
Our relationship goes back a number of years, but we've really been in close partnership with them for probably the last 12 months.
Okay, that's fantastic. In terms of opportunities that you're seeing in the marketplace, trends you're looking at, whether you're taking them from these shows or whether you came into the show with them, where do you think things are going and how are you trying to pivot your products or pivot your business or orient yourself to maximize opportunity?
You know, I think that in this ever-evolving world, bandwidth is getting more and more important, right? People are trying to get the most that they can. HDBaseT works with an 18 gigabit per second platform. I think that when you are trying to maximize your bandwidth, you really need to focus on, what railway system that you're installing in these houses, right? You can have the nicest, fanciest train in the world, but if the track is broken, it's not going to ever achieve what you're trying to achieve. And so I think that as bandwidth becomes even more and more important, that you continue to come and look for innovative products like Simply45 to make sure that you can really live up to that network device demand.
So if people may not be here at InfoComm or they're watching this video after InfoComm is concluded and they want to find out more about Simply45 Technologies products, cut out for a second. If they want to find out more about Simply45 Technologies products, how can they do that? How can they learn more about how you're benefiting the channel and you're benefiting their opportunities? We have
a great website that's got a lot of information on it. If you come to gosimplyconnect.com, you can see all of our brands listed there, including Simply Test, which is a certification portfolio, qualifiers, verifiers, so any kind of test that you would need to support your cable infrastructure. But yeah, lots of great product information on gosimplyconnect.com.
Blake Talley, thank you so much for chatting with me. Very informative, and I appreciate you investing the time here at InfoComm.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Pleasure to have been joined by Blake Talley, who is VP and Partner with Simply45. My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator, here at the HDBaseT booth, my home here at InfoComm 2022, W1337. Thank you again, Blake, for a great conversation.
Yeah, you're welcome.